Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off your screen timeout option on your phone. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So once you go into settings, if you scroll down to display and then scroll down again, you should see screen timeout, and if you look on there it only goes up to 10 minutes. And there's also another option to keep screen on while viewing, but it doesn't allow you to turn off screen timeout. So what you'll need to do is come out of there, go back into your settings page, and then scroll right down to the bottom and click on About Phone. And then select Software Information. Then what you'll need to do is click on Build Number several times. Then it'll ask you to enter your PIN or your password. And once you've done that, it'll just let you know developer mode has been enabled. So if you come out of software information and about phone, if you scroll down to the bottom, you should see developer options. So you just want to tap on there, and then you should get the option to stay awake. So you want to click on that, and this will just let you know your screen will never sleep while charging. And if you want to turn this off and remove developer options, just obviously toggle it off at the top, and that will turn off stay awake and your developer options. Thanks for watching.